Okay, so for this exercise, you want to start off with your pointer finger on the G. Rock up to the A flat and then back down to the G. Then do the same thing, starting on the G but down an octave. After that, switch to the G with your third finger, rock to the F sharp with your second, back to the G, and then go all the way to the E flat with your thumb. Okay, this exercise is going to start off with 2 staccato Gs with the thumb of your left hand. After that, you want to go to the fourth finger and hit this G quarter note. That'll get you set up to hit this C with your thumb. Then just rock back to the G. Okay, so you want to get your hand into the right position, get your left hand and right hand set up. Start this rock up to the A flat from the G. Go down there with the G in the left hand, and then starting from that same note, use your right hand, do the G, A flat. That left hand will do the G. Make sure you're set up right here to get this rock going on, and then just rock back and forth. Make sure to keep that left hand nice and short. Okay, so start with the middle finger of your right hand. Fall from G to the F sharp. Then just go back and forth from G to E flat with the third and first finger. Now on this F sharp, use your second finger the first time, and your second time you want to hit it with the third finger. Now on this F natural, switch to the third finger, fall down, and then just do 3-1 for this F and D flat. Now, this is going to be a second finger again for the E natural, and then third finger on the repeat. Okay, so you want to start off with your thumb on this C and the fourth finger on the G. Now make nice short notes as these are staccatos. Now on this A natural and F sharp, you're going to do 3 and 5. Now we're going to switch positions, do the first finger on B flat and your fourth finger on the F. And on this G and E natural, you want to do 3 and 5. Okay, so just like before, you want to make sure you're set up before you start playing this right hand. After that, make sure you're keeping your right hand nice and legato and your left hand nice and staccato. Now this F sharp, you want to switch to the second finger here and the third finger on the second time that you play it, right now. Now bring that third finger down to the F natural, and we're going to do a position change there. Remember that left hand needs to be nice and short with the staccatos. Just like before, use the second finger on this E natural, and then when you play it again, use the third finger. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to start off this sequence with like an F minor kind of chord. Remember the staccato that's right here after this slur? And then after that, everything's going to be nice and legato for these two measures. Now switch to your thumb and do a G major chord. Now after that, we're going to switch to this E flat minor kind of chord. Do this little slur to a staccato note and then keep everything nice and legato. And then we're going to go back to the F, but we're going to do it major this time. Okay, so we're going to start this sequence out with the thumb playing the C and the middle finger playing an A flat. Now we're going to play a G major chord with the first and third finger doing a B natural and a G. We're going to keep this sequence going by doing a B flat and a G flat with the first and third finger outlining an E flat minor. And then we're going to outline an F major doing an A natural and an F. Okay, so make sure both hands are set up and then start off this sequence. Your right hand is going to have this short little staccato after these 2 16th notes, and then everything following that in the right hand is going to be nice and legato, while your left hand is staccato. Now switch to the G major with your right hand, and the left hand goes down by a semitone, also harmonizing a G major. Your left hand's going to keep going down by a semitone and outline an E flat minor chord here. Notice the left hand pattern that is repeating every measure. Also, notice that the right hand has a rhythmic pattern that's repeating every 2 measures. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to play every measure that we've played so far. After we play this G with our left hand, you want to make sure both hands get set up before we start the main melody. Okay, now get ready to hit this F sharp with your second finger. And then the second time, hit it with your third. Okay, get ready to hit this E natural with your second finger. And now use your third. Okay, here's this sequence. Position change to the G major. Another position change to the E flat minor. And your final position is going to be in F major. Okay, so this passage is going to start with the fourth finger going down to the D with your thumb. And then go down an octave to this next F. Start on the 4 again. That'll end you off on the C, and then you can be in perfect position to hit this G with your pinky. Now we're going to do some body drumming. So we're going to do right hand, clap, cross hands, right hand, clap. Okay, so set back up like the beginning. G, A flat, G, octave down, G, A flat, G, and then get ready to stomp your feet. Dee da dee da da. Okay, so you want to start this exercise out with the thumb of your left hand on the C. Hit this B natural with your fourth finger, and then get ready to do this drumming. Now step back up like you're playing the beginning of the song. There'll be 2 staccato Gs with your thumb, a G with your fourth finger, and then you'll bounce back and forth between the thumb and the fourth finger. Okay, so let's put it all together. Start with your fourth finger on the right hand. Start with the thumb there on the left. Back to the fourth finger. Catch this with your fourth finger, your left. Staccato Gs with your pinky. Right, left, right, clap, cross. Right, left, right, clap. Set, up, here we go. Stomp, 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 main melody. Okay, so now we're going to practice everything we've done. Set up both hands. Left hand staccato. Get ready to catch this F sharp with the 2. Now 3. Here's the 2 coming with the E natural. And then switch to the 3. Position change. G major. E flat minor. F major. Now scale passage, here we go. Hand over. Catch that with the 4. Get, set, back, up. Stomp, 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 main melody now. Okay, so now we're going to learn this right hand part for the coda. It's very similar to the last couple measures we've been doing. You do this scale pattern down, you do these staccato Gs, and now switch to the second finger, just like the intro. Do these Gs again, repeated as eighth notes. Do that same intro pattern, but now a melodic minor scale up with A natural, B natural, and C. Okay, so now it's time to learn the left hand part. Start with the C with the thumb. Catch the B natural with your fourth finger. Do this G, A flat, G starting with the third finger. Catch it again with the middle finger. Now use fingers 1, 5 for this G major chord. And finish it off with a 1, 2 as the C minor. Okay, so now we're going to bring these hands together. This first part is very similar to what we've done before. Catch this with the 4. Catch this with the 4 of the left hand. Staccato Gs. Now while you're doing those, get that left hand ready. Okay, play these G, A flat Gs with both hands. Double Gs. Now set up that left hand, G major. Melodic minor on the right hand. And final chord.